My Farm Animal World is such a cute collection of little board books for the toddlers. I'd say around ages 2 to 4 probably. And inside you can see 9 little books about different animals. We have the pig here, and what I love about this is that behind it, it shows your child where it goes, so they can put it right back in the same slot. And here's the look at the pig book. It's a nice thick book for their little hands to get a hold of. And it just tells a little story about each animal. And also, if you like this little farm collection, there's also a My Wild Animal World collection. And these each go for $12.99. And there you have it.